This bike is from Greg's Custom Cycles. It has turbo, nitrous, and 325 horsepower. The bike is quick. Greg named it Monster. The handlebars are from the Deepsickness parts line, 6-inch Wicked Bars. Available to order for your bike at gregscycles.com. Wide 325mm rear tire, low slam solo seat, custom exhaust pipes, Deepsickness front end, stretched custom gas tank. Greg's custom choppers have been seen in the top motorcycle magazines. Order parts from the Deepsickness parts line at gregscycles.com.